Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Travel with Siri. Novotel Jumeirah Village Triangle, Dubai is a 4-star family hotel for business as well leisure trips. Initially we thought of staying here for a day as we had to do early check-in and very few hotels are providing early check-in options. We had to pay 100 dirhams for early check-in here. After staying in Novotel Jumeirah Village Triangle for a day, we realized that the room is very spacious and the complimentary breakfast was amazing with a pleasant ambience, so we decided to stay at Novotel Jumeirah Village Triangle for our entire trip. We booked a deluxe room for the first 2 days and shifted to junior suite for the rest of our stay. Junior suite is bigger in space than deluxe room with a separate bathroom setup. I made another video on our stay at Deluxe Room. I will provide the Deluxe Room video link under this video's description, or you can find it in the iCard flashing on the screen. Kindly note that this is not a promotional video or sponsored by anyone. I am just sharing my experience with our stay at Novotel Hotel in Dubai. The junior suite is 57 square meters in size, providing a homely comfort with a living room and a master bedroom. The living room comes with a sofa bed. The sofa can be converted into a bed upon request. We need to call the housekeeping assistants who will come and set the sofa bed for your good night's sleep. All the rooms and suites include free Wi-Fi, work desks, a convertible sofa bed, premium beds with room amenities, a 50-inch flat-screen HD television and a mini bar. There is a bathroom at the entrance of the junior suite, but there is no wash area. The master bedroom comes with a king-size bed with an attached bathroom. The suite offers splendid views from the balcony with a seating arrangement. The spacious balcony is connected to both the rooms, living and master bedroom. If you wish to know more details about booking rooms with Novotel Dubai, I will drop the official website link of Dubai Novotel Jumeirah Village Triangle under this video's description. There is an outdoor swimming pool and a fitness center, but we did not get enough time to relax by the pool. Ring to the housekeeping service if you need an iron and an ironing board. The hotel also has connecting rooms and suites for a family getaway. Dining at Time Kitchen at Novotel Jumeirah Village Triangle. Time Kitchen is open all day, which provides a variety of continental cuisines with a decent ambience. All the room bookings comes with a complimentary breakfast with Time Kitchen. Breakfast is served daily from 6:30 am to 10:30 am. It has an open kitchen concept with a bistro style atmosphere. They offer a wide variety of meal options from Arabic, Indian or Mediterranean flavors along with refreshing drinks. All the food was served hot and fresh. I had a vegetable cheese omelette every day as I liked it so much. Along with the omelette, my servings would be varying from a pancake, hash brown, croissant, fruits and yogurt. We enjoyed thoroughly our family breakfast time at Time Kitchen. Waking up my daughter each morning became less difficult for me as she would get up immediately when I reminded her of the wholesome breakfast at the time. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Please subscribe to my channel Travel with Siri and do not forget to hit the bell in order to get notified.